Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here to show you this Audi A3 S Line 5-door 2010, 131,000 miles, 14 service stamps, cam belt and water pump done at 125 in September of this year. Four owners from new. As you can see, it's got parking sensors on the rear. And all in all, really, a really nice car. And to be fair, all I've done is just washed it. It's going to have an MOT. It's out of MOT at the moment, but will have an MOT, a full MOT. Before it goes out. And as I said, it was serviced in September. They just know how to make a car, and what great value for money. So there you have it. What I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a second. Hi guys, I'm back now. So what I'm going to do is going to take you inside the engine bay first, and then I'm going to take you inside. So just have a real good look. At this engine bay. It's the 2 litre version, TDI, as you can see. Okay, and as you can see, it's all present and correct. Now don't forget, it's had a cam belt done and it's had a water pump as well. Okay, so that's lovely. That was done at 125,000 miles and it's done 131, and it was serviced in September from memory. So as your driver's side door card, your pedals, still got the original Audi mats in, and look at the bolsters. I mean, come on. It's got the S Line badge on it, multi-function steering wheel, as you can see. Got your cruise control. It's got all your toys there. Car's never been smoked in, so it's just lovely. Got your AUX there, central armrest, 6-speed gearbox. So, driver's side rear door card. Back seats, headrests all the way around. Take you in the boot. Got the parcel shelf. All your tools, and looks like the tyre has still got the knobbles on it. I don't think it's ever been on. How nice is that? And still got the Audi oil container there. Passenger side door card, rear. Again, these seats just don't really look like they've been sat in that much. You've got your Isofix in there as well. Just look at the back of the front seats, how they're bolstered. Look mega. They really know how to make a car. Passenger side front door card, and your front seat, again, no issues at all. You've got your logbook there, has 2 keys, all your books. It's got some bills there, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 under there with some bills. 14 service stamps this car's got. That's what you're buying. Okay, if you need any further information on the car, give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. I'd love you to support the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Okay? Just support the channel if you could. Alright guys, listen, thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon. And have a great Christmas.